Hello. Hello out there, and today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the teardrop letters. What I mean by the teardrop letters are letters that have this, see this eye here, and there's a little tear coming out of the eye, and all of these letters have those. There's about 13 of them here in the alphabet, and I just wanted to point them out and see the formation of them that I've already written here. I went all the way up to the top line for size 6, you could see it better. And they all start that way. And they all have different formations, but they all start down, around, up, and then into the rest of the letter. And I could do a video on each one of those, but they all start that way. So if you can get a good teardrop start, then that helps you with quite a few letters, right? And just go like that. And then there's U, V, W, up, a little bit shorter than the top, down. Then it kind of curves. X, Y, and even Z. Down, around, down, bounce up, and then go like that. So there's 13 F, H, K, M, N, Q, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All of those have the teardrop letters. I call it that. It starts like a little teardrop falling. W was a little bit small, but with a normal pen. It's a little harder to write with the thicker pen, but that has the hook on it for the small lowercase w. That does not. It just curves. Now, another thing to point out is you try this on, this was college ruled paper. Try it on wide ruled, and you'll have more space to get it right, especially if you're using a pen. So if you notice, if I line them up, look, see, the one paper, that's smaller, isn't it? If you really look, that's smaller. And I drew a line there. See, the wide ruled is about that much bigger. If you line it up perfectly, it's a little bit bigger. And you might think that little bit of space, see, that little bit of difference, if you were to line it up perfectly, okay, that little bit of space gives you that much more room, that much more room to write, and to especially if you're new, being able to get it right. So 2 letters I'll focus on right now. One is a capital T, okay, capital T, and capital F, because they're very similar. So let me start again. The teardrop shape, like that, stop, then pick up and cross. Now that's the difference between T and F. They start the same. This one keeps going, and it connects. If there's another letter after it, it would keep going into the next letter. F does not. It's one of those stationary ones that just, it goes like this. It stops, pick it up, cross. And then if there's another word, like if you started the word 5, you just start at the bottom and like beginning all over with your next letter or whatever. You know, if that were an I or whatever. Okay? Oh, that didn't quite show up, did it? There we go. And so T and F. So I just wanted to illustrate 2 of the 13 teardrop letters. Again, get the teardrop shape. It's so common to see someone just go like that for the teardrop or whatever. And it's just a circle, but it's a little bit slightly different shape, isn't it? For all 13 of these capital letters. Get that start right, and you'll be on the way to some nice letters for all 13 of these. So by getting this formation at the beginning right, it's helping you with so many other letters. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If it was a help to someone, please let me know. Comment if you like, and that will be an encouragement to me. Or tell me what letter you specifically would like some tips on, and I can go into more detail, and I just did it quickly here, but I can go into more details to the nth degree of every motion along the way, if you like. All right, you take care, and hope you have a fantastic day and learn something new every day. Bye for now.